How to change your availability in UKG Pro. Follow my instructions. If your work schedule has changed, updating your availability in UKG Pro helps managers plan better. You can set when you're available and block off times you can't work. Here's how to update it quickly. First, open the UKG Pro app or go to the UKG Pro website on your browser. Log in with your username and password. From the home screen, go to the Schedule or Availability section. Find and select Change Availability or Update Availability. You'll see a weekly calendar view with your current available times. Tap or click the days and hours you want to adjust. You can mark hours as available or unavailable. Make sure to set your preferred shifts and block any time off you need. Once you've made all changes, tap Save or Submit to send it to your manager. Your manager will review and approve the changes. Once approved, your new availability will show up in the scheduling system. You can update it anytime if your situation changes. That's how to change your availability in UKG Pro quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.